Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be telling you about the best combo of a gaming PC you can get for $200 new on Amazon right now. And a lot of you don't like buying used parts, so this is just like, it's going to be amazing. Okay, so first for the graphics card, we have none other than the Intel Arc A380. Now, don't get me wrong, this was a terrible card when it released, but now it's got a few updates that made it better, and now it's a very good card for 1080p gaming, and it only costs $109 on Amazon. It's low profile, consumes less power, and is efficient, and it uses GDDR6, so it's gonna help you gamers. Maybe you can get into some live streaming. For the PC, I'm just gonna tell you right out of the box, you're not gonna get anything special with $100 left to spare. You'll probably end up getting a renewed Office PC on Amazon. Just make sure you get something with like an i5 6500 or an i7 4770. These go around $90, and those you can always opt for a low profile 3050. Those cost around $70 or $50 more new on Amazon. But hey, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you later. Peace. God bless.